Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will check if the given number is an even or odd number using Kotlin programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here import Java util for input output. In Kotlin, fun main is a function that is the starting and ending point of every program execution. Begin val reader scanner in. So this is, we create an object reader now for input output. Print line, new line, print line, add in even numbers in Kotlin, the title of our program. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give a number, to enter a number that will be stored in our variable num reader next int. If num modulus 2 equals 0, if it is true, it is an even number, $num even number. Else if it is false, $num, it is an odd number. And then we close the main body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB to run the code. Click the run button here. Let us wait. Okay, add in even numbers in Kotlin. Let's say we have 3 is an odd number. Let us run again. Let us wait for a while. Let's say 4 is an even number. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on add in even numbers in Kotlin programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.